today's video, I will be doing a pack with me today, and I will only be saying like I'm going for 4 days. So, I am only bringing this little small bag. It's Betsy Johnson, I think. It's like a little duffel. It's pretty nice. So for right now, I am going to be packing my pajamas. PJs, pajamas, same thing. So I have these little nice pajamas my mom bought me. So I like to kind of like fold them like this, but they have little dogs on them. So my pajamas, one pair of pajamas. Then I have these nice little pajamas that I love. And I have they're really big on me. I got like a extra large or something close to that. But they're very big on me and they're very comfortable. The place I'm going right now is kind of hot, but we can just work with that. So it's gonna be hot, like I said, down there. So I have my bathing suits. Sorry if I'm so close to y'all. I have my bathing suits. I'm bringing two just in case. I have this one also. I don't wear bikinis right now, so I'm going to put that near my pajamas. And I have this little cover up. It's just a bunch of shorts. It's just some shorts from Forever 21 I bought a while ago. Then I have my pants, which I am wearing. So I have this Love shirt. It still has tuck because I just bought it like recently. And it has these Love shirt. And then I'm gonna wear it with these pants that is not new, but yeah. These are from Ross, I believe, and I usually put the shirt I'm wearing in here and then just like fold it so I remember what I'm gonna wear that day. Then I just place it in there. Then I have these jeans from Ross. And there are, they have 3 buttons. They're high-rise jeans. They're not, high-waisted. And I might wear this shirt with it. I have no idea yet. So, yeah. And I just fold it like I said and place it in there. Then I have some leggings. Never can go wrong with leggings. Just in case. I don't want to wear pants one day. And then I have when I leave, have this stitch. I just bought this too. Jogging pants, I mean. And then I have this like sweatshirt, and it goes so good because stitch. And yeah. And I have some tank tops I'm going to wear. So I have this tank top that I'm gonna wear. I just gonna place that right there. I have this little bag for my underwear and my bras. And I'm gonna put my socks in here because might as well. So I have these fuzzy socks right here. It has like reindeer on it. I also have some socks on right now I'm gonna bring. So then I have these socks for the day I am going to a special place in my heart. and I'm gonna have my Nike shoes. So I'm gonna put this bag for just in the car because this is gonna be in the trunk. So I have my makeup in this bag, all my makeup. I have a little bottle of soap, and I have my magic band, and then I have this thing where you put it around your neck, but I don't think I'm going to. And it's when I used to vlog on my phone, and you just like put this right here, and then you put it around your neck, and you can either put it on like this, or you can put it on your neck. So, especially like if you're in water a lot, it's really good. Forgot one of my essential things I need to bring. Yes. So I have this jacket that I always pretty much wear. It's a jean jacket, can never go wrong. And just button her like so. And I probably wear this with a, instead of wearing my Pepsi shirt, I probably wear this jean jacket with it, and my tank top and some leggings. Call it a day, or some pants. We'll see. So we're just in a place like so. We're gonna put my toiletries in this bag, which I don't really have a lot of toiletries. I just got my skincare and my makeup's in here. This is my toiletry bag. I have my Vanity Planet spin brush, which I put in there. Use the vitamin E oil toner to put in. So sorry, my brain. And I also use this vitamin E oil lotion, which I put in there. Then I have my head where I wrap for my lock, I wrap that around, and put that in there, in my other scarf. And then sometimes I put a bonnet on, sometimes I don't. Just depends on how I feel. Okay, so like I was saying, I put my scarf in. I have my toothpaste. Not toothbrush. I have my toothpaste, toothbrush. And I put her in like so. Then I have this facial spray. I use a lot, if you can tell. I use a lot of my facial spray, which I put on after my makeup. But sometimes I don't really use makeup. Sometimes it works out my face. Then I have this pimple cream. My face has been breaking out a lot right now, but this is so good. Then I have my black soap, which sometimes I don't use this facial wash, so I just use the black soap, put some toner, and put some tea tree oil, and I am good to go. This is for my hair. I just put this on, brush right 2 times a week, and I am good to go. Like this. And just zip that up, fold her in, tie, and just place this bag into my my little bag, and then I don't forget about and then I have a purse that y'all don't really need to see, but what I'll do is bring a book. Sometimes I'm bored of watching movies, so I bring a book. So on this trip, I'm bringing On the Come Up by Angie Thomas, and of course, my perfume. Okay, go wrong with secret deodorant. I put that in, or I use spray. But yes, but that has been it of my pack with me video. I hope you like it so much. And happy Vlogmas Day 1. And continue watching for more. Well, bye guys. Peace.